we had already planned some activities that I can't say that they were triggered off by the event last Thursday. They were just activities that we had planned and we are routinely carrying out. Today we had some public health personnel from headquarters meeting at the airport. Through the weekend we had two houses, which will be a quarantine post within the airport, and we have started using the questionnaires for people flying into PGIA. On Friday, we also had a training session for staff from the PGIA at all levels, and this morning we had a major meeting with NEMO and key personnel from Customs, Immigration, Baja, Tourism, NEMO, and the Ministry of Health to discuss where we are going to go in terms of Ebola and the ongoing preparations we are having as a country.
How did that meeting go in terms of this multi-agency approach that is now being employed?
Well, basically the reason why we met, and we have been having discussions electronically, and I think we had mentioned earlier that we had met with the NEMO person in charge, Colonel DeFore, from last month actually. We are trying to streamline all our activities, and I think one of the key elements of that is communication, interagency communication, to ensure that we are all on the same page. One of the reasons why we met also is we gave everybody that was at the table a brief description of how the Ebola epidemic looks in West Africa and the potential it has for the region. And based on that, we triggered off a discussion to see how we will ramp up our surveillance activities at all border entry points, and what we would start doing internally in case we do have a suspect case of Ebola.